How to add the iSTAR channels to favorite. So you go to live channels here, live channels. Okay, this is favorite section. So we go, for example, to Arabic. Loading, please wait. Okay, we go to other channel. Like example, all or any country. So here you can see some channels. Okay, so you go here and then go by this side. You go right side. Okay, go down, add favorite. So you add this channel to favorite, press OK. Done. If you want delete, press OK from favorite. If you want to delete, press OK. If you want add, again press OK. And then for other channels, same. You want to go down, you go left side to go back to channels, and then you go down, left side, go to another channel. Okay, this one also you can, if you want, go to right side, here right side, and then add to favorite, scroll down here, add favorite, press OK. If you want to delete, remove, press OK. Add to favorite, press OK. And then exit. Thank you for watching.